numva nga sijina sakunyira naye ngirira kwanga jimira
n'omukwano gwakulaga mungi
era tusamutabirawo
kwa tukizomaliza masomo ya kizimbe kwa kama ni kama ule mbali na kusoma zile bila pili
Uncle Wizzo and the generation promoter.
Yeah, the generation promoter.
Nobody events.
Nobody events the 2nd of August. The show is ready, more than ready. Fire is going to burn. Big up to Starbucks. Yeah man, anytime, every time, all of time.
Onjide mumanyi Uncle Wizzo.
Atentandika butandise. Kushoni akugira na mukizungirizi. Ava ku maazi.
So Uncle Wizzo,
omukulu manager wa marketing era agenda tukulembera twale waggulu tufuneyo akafubo akali brief abamawulire bajjakirizwamu katono nnyo bamale batte twogere mu katono then today wansi oyogere n'abamawulire bulungi.
You are all welcome to Starbase International. He's a legend. He needs no introduction. What we are doing now is that it's first of all a big honor that Wizzo is coming back to perform for us. This is something that we as Ugandans have been looking forward to. If you have not known, you should know it today. That he's doing us a very, very big favor, because to have a legend come back on stage means a big, big thing, because that performance of Radio Wizzo has never been got anywhere in the world. So him coming back on stage is a big thing to us, and it's gonna put us back on the music map.
And it's been more than 10 years.
10 years. So you can imagine 10 years of not seeing this wonderful performance. Now he's coming back, and I want to assure you that we are with him, and the fire has already begun burning.
Yeah.
So two giants are back. We are here to support him at every stage at Starbucks. So we are going to go up and share a few things at the conference room, and then later on we will come down and unveil whatever we've discussed up there. So thank you for being there, the media. Thank you for supporting
Introduce
our
yourself to the
legend.
media.
Yeah, I'm Tim Gilbert. I'm the marketing manager here at Starbucks Uganda, and I am one of the biggest fans of the Good Life music.
What's your favorite song from radio?
Nyumbani.
And
Nyumbani, sweet rudi nyumbani. Sometimes I cry cause I'm waiting for them.
tugenda mu kafubo.
Manager w'omuyimbi tannabayimbi abaye
Bagenda bakuwa
manager
bagambye tebakkirizayo aliwa manager yingira manager omwibbi omutegese otya? Soko obulira abantu abakulaba omuyimbi yali mu mbeera ki yetegesa atya kampu eri etya
Kampu eri bulungi nga muwala w'abangi bali wano. So n'omuyimbi yali okay, yali ready to power whatever you expect from him.
kayimba kyakasinga okunyumirako omuyimbi kayimba kyakawuza akasinga okunyumira obudde abamala obudde abawagizibwa mu kiki obagamba abawagizibwa mu kiki obagamba your fans of wisdom
Fans of good life. But make sure call because this is their show yao as fans of good life, wachukiza memories of good life. So Babedo, one they'll be entertained and Jaku achieve of the year.
nengonyirira nnyo
Wewe wale kusima.
tugambe nti omwami akuwa emirembe mingi
Era mbaga sijina sawa kunyira naye ngirira kwanga jimira.
n'omukwano gwakulaga mungi
Era tusawa tabirawo.
Thank you so much, the media. We are not going to waste time because we have been waiting for the big moment when our legend will arrive. He had so many stopovers from his home to here. Took him about 4 hours. You can imagine everybody was blocking him. He couldn't come on time, but now he's here today. I'm Martin Gilbert. I'm the marketing manager of Starbucks. We have our head of operation here, Mr. Boniface. He's going to greet us a bit and welcome us. Then we can proceed with the press conference.
Hello. How are you today?
So everybody will get the communication of the return of the legend. And we are not going to stop there. We are going to work with Mizo and his wife, who happens to be the current, we cannot say former, yes, current and Miss East Africa, because now we cannot say Rwanda, we are now one. Yeah. So she's the legend right now, undisputed. You know, if somebody is Miss Rwanda, then that person has crossed the line beyond. She has represented everyone, Miss Africa. Because what is in Rwanda, all of you know, in terms of the beauty. If somebody is she has reached the end. She has passed the alphabet of beauty. We will not now again categorize her. She is now the judge of beauty. And we are going to work with these two wonderful people and show you who they are. Because some of you may have not known who they are, but you know their potential when they are powered by us. So let me invite my brother Norbert, the generational promoter, to give us a word, and then we'll invite the big man.
Yes, abamawulire tsanzo okumalaba mukulengeja yogere mu kizungu nze kanjogere mu Luganda mu 40 sobola okufunza kumati. Sabo okwebaza Starbucks bannange kampani zinene ziri eno naye nga tezisapootika mu Uganda naddala talent. Sabo okwebaza Starbucks n'abakulu bonna abategeeza tuli basanyufu ate mu abamawulire mubunyise enjiri. Starbucks yakoze eti yavujjidde mwenna abali ku kamera essaawa zino mubuuze ku bayimbi Martha Mukisa ali wano mubuuze abayimbi kyekitegeeza ne Zanda lyono waali mubuuze abayimbi kyekitegeeza okuwulira nti oli yakuwadde billboard emu mu kibuga Kampala kyekitegeeza era sebo mukama wange Mizo bwe bugendedde okukyaliro nga bakawanika billboards 5 batusuubiza okwongera endala 5 ziri wati miliyoni za 5 abalala batukozesa tebatuwa batukolerako obukolezi erinnya kampani endala zikozesa bukozesa bayimbi kuvimba kulya buli kabimu nga tezikola ki naye omusajja akusasulidde emisolo gya billboard akuwanikidde billboard mu Kampala ekyo kimu waliwo ne packages endala nga akaffecce mu Uganda kyebayita akaffecce naye ngeri enjawulo ebiriwo ate mu ngeri ey'enjawulo mukoomukulu naye afuddewo omukisa ayina era promotion gyagenda okukolera kampani eno ya Starbucks kati omukulu abanga ali mu kintu n'omukulu aba mu kintu oba bawuli ebintu bino mubitegere embeera ey'enjawulo ne Martha Mukisa tusaba okwebaza webali kuyimirira byonna lumu tulaba enfungu sigaleko munda